then tilts.
Yeah.
It changes. So if you get this one strong and this one strong, then they can stand. They can stay level together.
I think that probably is the issue.
Yeah. So it's like strengthening, rehabbing kind of. The testimonies are really nice. They're genuine as well. You know, it's not like they've been like here's a script or anything. You know? They're just
it's better to sometimes actually ask them rather than to type it out.
Yeah, no, 100%.
I know a few people that like get them to DM them how they like this.
And also, you can always, if you need it in written, you can type it up. You know, and then
Exactly.
if people see then your written comment is also there's a testimony with it, then just like a video testimony, they know it's true. So.
Yeah, exactly. That area on that left side.
In there, or more. There.
It's kind of the whole area. Definitely tighter within that area.
More so than the other side, feel that more?
Could probably be quite the same, but that in the glutes is very tight, and that's causing some of the problems as well.
Was it left leg longer, did they say, or was it right leg?
The right leg, I believe.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Or the left, I'm not too sure. It
would make sense if it was kind of like this is longer because this is bunched up kind of and tight.
Yeah.
That would make sense.
tight.
Yeah. Feel
Oh
big
wow,
in.
yeah, it's right there. Wow, that's really tight. I think that might be probably the reason, because I can feel like when you're doing that, it's contracting everything,
Yeah.
all the pain areas.
I'll bring this up here. Whoa. Really feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What does it feel like?
Just stuck. Like it wants to move, but it can't.
Oh, what, the glute?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this movement in is pretty good. It's your external, this bit here.
Okay.
This becomes quite tricky. Like it will go, but it's not strong end, it's not a great end range feel.
Yeah.
It feels like it's getting stiff here. So if you're mid here.
Oh. Ow.
Yeah, so that dude there is really tight.
That's horrible.
Try and encourage all that to give you your scapula back. Cool. Okay, I'm going to put this arm in front of you now. I'm going to go above. lats are really tight, both sides. So.
Yeah.
Because they've been like shoulder press, pull ups.
Yeah, all kinds of weight stuff.